Hello everyone, Ebony here. So today I'll be walking you through my current skincare regimen. So if you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. My skincare starts with a hydrating cleanser such as CeraVe's Cream to Foam Hydrating Cleanser. I use my fingers or a sponge and massage it into my skin and then I rinse. Next, I exfoliate with Goop Beauty's Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. It's like a milder form of microdermabrasion for at-home use. Afterwards, I like to balance my pH with a hydrating toner, and I'm using the Heritage Store's Rosewater toner. While my skin is still damp, I apply hyaluronic acid, which is important because it helps to draw moisturizer further into the skin. This one is Cactus Oasis Serum by Youth to the People. Now, I prefer for my morning moisturizer to be super light, restorative, and refreshing, which is why I'm using Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream by Versed. It feels so good. Now, my final step in skincare is sunscreen. This is Supergoop's Unseen Sunscreen. It has an SPF of 40. Even melanated skin needs protection, guys, especially if you're on a mission to even out your skin tone or prevent hyperpigmentation. If you have any areas of trauma on the skin, the sun will just add more pigment to it. Most of the time I end it here, but today I'll be adding a little makeup to look more polished. Not doing too much right now, I'm just spot correcting with Merit's Perfecting Complexion Stick. Most of the time I use the warmth from my fingers, but this time I'm using a sponge to blend it out. And I'll be filling in my brows with COL-LAB's Shape and Shade Brow Pencil, and this color is Rich Brown. Next, I'll be using the Wonder Stick by NYX in the color Deep. It is a double-sided highlight and contour stick. I'll be using the highlighting part to brighten the area underneath my eyes and underneath my eyebrows. And I'm going to use the contour side to add some shadows to my face for more depth. Now I'm just finishing the look with mascara. This is L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara. It is my favorite drugstore brand mascara right now. I love that the wand is narrow. I can get as close to my lid without getting the mascara all over my lids. So that's it. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.